Today we're changing the AC filters on my 2024 Tesla Model 3 because this car, while it can drive itself, it apparently can't clean its own nose. So here's what you'll need to get started. You're going to need 2 new cabin filters because Tesla doesn't believe in one and done, AC coil cleaner, a few basic tools or just your raw determination, some tape, trust me, we'll get there, and of course, the car itself. If you don't own a Tesla, then this video is basically me showing off. Step 1, locate the filters. The filters are butted down here on the passenger side. Tesla engineers must sit around saying, where should we hide this? Oh, yeah, the most inaccessible spot possible. Perfect. Step 2, remove the panels. So you're going to have to remove 2 panels ultimately. The first one is this one that's right underneath your glove compartment, and it's also attached to some sort of a speaker wire. So go ahead and remove that wire out before you go to the next step, because it's not possible for you to remove the other panel without removing that first one. Then, of course, I had to pause because kids don't care that the Tesla is suffocating. Bedtime calls. So I came back at night to finish the rest of this fixed. Let's see where the actual filter is. So let me zoom out. This is the passenger side, and this is the center console. I took this panel out, and I'm going right to the back, and I took this panel out, right? And it's simple, it has a simple clip. So here's a clip of how I took that panel out. Now, let me show you. That white thing is the filter, which we need to take out. Okay. Oh my God. That is one heck of a dirty filter. Oh my God, and it's wet and it smells so bad. All right, so there's another filter. So they're stacked. So you'll have to pull it up and out. Okay. All right. So we're taking the filters out. Ooh, that was hard. Then comes step 4. This is an optional step to go ahead and clean the evaporator coil while you have taken the panel out. If you spent 20 minutes taking the panel out, you might as well clean the evaporator coil while you're at it. So go ahead, remove the top, put the other straw, like spray top on, and then go ahead and spray your evaporator coils really well. So think of cleaning your Tesla's coils as exfoliating your Tesla's pores. While my car gets facials, I am rocking under-eye bags that right now need their own zip code. Once you spray it, let it sit for 20 minutes. Step 5, install new filters. Yay! Now it's time to finally install the new filters, except, surprise, the tabs don't line up. Because why would Volipuri make this easy for you? Just not their brand, seems like. Anyway, here is a hack. I ended up using some tape to go ahead and create some of the tabs that I needed so that I could stack these 2 filters one on top of the other. In layman's terms, I MacGyvered it. So the carbon side should face you, and the other white side should face the outside. So we are to try to push that in. Very nice. Okay. And it should go down. Very nice. And that's my little tab. So we can pull it out the next time we have to change the filters. Use this tool again. Let's make sure that stays down. And push the next one in. Okay. Once you have the filters in, go ahead and place the cover, the little panel, back into its place. And it just clicks right in. Final step, close it up. And then, of course, Closing the panel takes exactly 2 seconds. Meanwhile, I aged 10 years taking it off. Classic Tesla. And that's it. Fresh air, happy Tesla, and you're officially handier than half the men you know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend whose car smells like gym socks. And remember, if I can fix things, so can you.